Hello everybody, and this is the first video in our tutorial of Python. And in this video we'll start by setting up the environment in our PC. So I am using Windows 10. If you are using another system, it will be a little bit different. So let's start by installing Python in our PC. Let's go to Python, and the first website, you will find the link in the description if you like to install directly, and go here to downloads, and here I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Then you can install the setup. It's very easy to install it. uh, then after we install Python, we have to install text editor, code editor. You can use whatever you want. I am using Visual Studio Code, so I will show you how to download it. Let's go to the website Visual Studio Code, and the first website, you will find the link in the description as well. You choose your system and download it. It's easy to download. Then let's open Visual Studio Code, our code editor. And then let's go to the extension, and let's type Python. We have to install the extension. And here it is, the first one. This is one from Microsoft. It's the best extension that we need. After that, let's go and create a folder that we save in it our project. Let's create a project, name it Python. I already created a file folder. Select the folder you want to work in. Wait for a second. Okay, and here it is. So this is file, the first file, and let's try to write simple Python command. Let's write the famous one, hello world, and that's it. Let's run Python file. And as we see, it's work perfect. So that's all for today videos, and wait for the next videos for more tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.